Ready to start earning online? Let's walk through every single step of Fiverr. Go to fiverr.com, click the red Join button, then choose the email option. Type your email address, create a strong password, then click Continue to proceed. Choose a professional permanent username. Use your actual business name if you have one. Select buying or selling services, even if you only plan to buy something later. Open your inbox, find Fiverr's verification link, and click Verify Email to confirm. Now that your email is verified, fill in your first name, last name, country. Upload a clear professional profile picture. People trust real faces more than plain logos. Write a professional title describing exactly what you do, using strong searchable keywords. Write a strong description explaining your skills, experience, and why you're the best. Add your top skills so Fiverr can recommend you to the right clients. Connect your LinkedIn or Facebook profile to add extra trust to your Fiverr account. Enter your phone number and request a verification code. This security step is mandatory. Check your phone, then enter the 6-digit SMS code to verify your identity. Congratulations, you've officially reached your seller dashboard. Your income journey truly starts today, right now. Click Gigs in the sidebar, then click the blue Create New Gig button. Name your gig exactly what you're selling, using your primary keyword throughout clearly. Fill in the remaining details and hit Publish. You're now officially live and ready.